Hello and welcome back to Crafted K Studio. Today I'm going to show you a really simple way to create a beautiful painted background that can be used for all sorts of craft projects. The best part is there's no right or wrong way to do it, so it's suitable for complete beginners as well as more experienced crafters. For this demonstration I'm using acrylic paints, but don't feel limited to these. Watercolours, oils or many other paints can produce equally lovely results, each giving you a slightly different finish and texture. Use whatever you already have available and enjoy experimenting. I'm simply building up layers of colour across the surface. There's no need to worry about making everything perfect. In fact, the little variations in colour and texture are what make each background unique. To create the pattern in the forefront, I'm using a textured stamp. You don't need this exact one though. Any stamp, stencil or textured object will give a completely different effect. That's one of the things I really enjoy about this technique. Every combination creates something unique. And don't be afraid to try different colours together. Some of the nicest backgrounds happen when you experiment with combinations that you might not normally choose. Once you're happy with your background, simply leave it to dry completely before using it for your next project. Once dry, you can really see all of that lovely texture and colour come to life. These backgrounds are incredibly versatile. They work beautiful for handmade greeting cards, journals, scrapbooks, and mixed media projects. You can also use exactly the same technique to upcycle everyday items. Imagine transforming an old wooden tray, a chest of drawers, a picture frame or even a plant pot into something completely unique. The same process works on many different surfaces, so once you've mastered the technique, the possibilities are endless. I hope this has given you some inspiration to have a go yourself. If you do try it, I'd love to know what colours and textures you choose and what theme. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next Crafted Case Studio project. Bye for now. And remember, there are no mistakes in crafting, only new ideas waiting to happen.